I would like to invite you to join me for 2 days in Tampa, where I help you unlock these questions and many more at our 2-day Water Damage Bootcamp. Guys, in case you don't know, my name is Shane O'Dazier, and at this bootcamp, I'm going to be teaching you the best things that I learned over the past 10 years growing and scaling my own restoration company. The things that I learned along the way allowed me to go from living in this dumpy rental to moving into this 5,100 square foot, almost $2 million home within 5 years. Restoration completely changed my life, and I know it can change yours too. In fact, I'm so convinced this event even has a $10,000 guarantee. If you don't think that day one alone is worth $10,000, I will refund your money and I will fly you back home. There's not another guarantee like that anywhere in the industry. And if you want that guarantee, you've got to come to the Water Damage Bootcamp. Over the last year and a half, we've worked with over 800 restoration companies all over the United States. It worked for us, it worked for them, and I know it'll work for you too. But don't take my word for it. Look what CJ said. CJ sent me a message recently, and here he is stating that he's getting up to $50,000 a week in referrals from plumbers. 50 grand. Or look at Bentley. Bentley came to one of our events, spent 2 days with us in Nashville, and here he is stating that he got a $100,000 return on investment from those 2 days. Or maybe look at what Sam said. Sam's on record stating that he came in and worked with us, and he got over a $300,000 return on investment. Here's the deal. Restoration changed my life. It's changed theirs, and I know it can change yours too.